Hello student. Yesterday we see what is the cookies, what are the types of cookies. So session cookies and persistent cookies. We know we can create the cookies, we can read that cookies, we can update that cookie and delete that cookie. For for creating cookies, now you as you know, we can create the cookies for it's a simple technique. So for creating a cookie, we assign cookies for the window and value use. We can use the syntax window dot cookie, sorry, window dot document dot cookies. Okay. Now, so you can see here document dot cookie equal to username is Anand. So Anand is our value for your document cookies. So thus the name value pair separates by dash sign and terminated by delimiter like semicolon. Okay. So here we have to put semicolon because it's end with the semicolon. The cookies can be assigned to document.cookies instead of windows.document.cookie. We can simply write document.cookie. Right. So let's start our program. For that we use notepad. Okay, let's start our program for cookie. For that, what we gonna start? So you know document.write.cookie. We using that syntax for our cookies, correct? So let's start our program. First, we write HTML, correct? HTML. Then enter. Then our head. So first we write HTML tag, then enter tag. Then your script type. Script type equal to text slash JavaScript. Now close that tab. Okay. Now we here using some functions for our cookies. We want to write some cookie. That's why our function name is write cookies. So function name write cookie. So this was your function for a cookie. In that function, we give some value for our cookie and we put some condition like we put if condition for showing the alert message, correct? So when you write something on that cookie, it show on your cookie what was your cookies in value. So give some condition if your condition document dot form. Okay, 1 second. I will skip this part here and we move our next point. Next point is your body part, correct? Because we already open our script tag and we close it here. We close our head tag also. I skip that part because I will explain that part after 10 minutes. Okay, let's open body tag, this one. So your body tag is here. You open your body. Okay, so in the body, first of all you write some form tag for your form, correct? Form name equal to your form name. You can give some form name for your form. So form name is my form. Now you put some action here. You can give some link of your page, but here I didn't mention anything. Enter name, correct? So this will be show on your website or web page. Input type equal to text because I put here text box which are useful so for a user, so write something on that text box. Okay, Okay, customer. Oh, let's end this tab. Your input again. Then we give some button for submitting that information. Sorry, input type equal to button. Then we give some value at button. Value equal to set cookie. Correct? Then on click function, on click equal to write cookie function. Here, write cookie function, then we close that function. Now we mention that function is here. Okay, this one is a function, and you can see that I mention again this function here because I want to access that function on this button, because when I click on that button, this function will be access or can fetch. You can say this button can fetch that function value, right? So let's here end our form. Correct. Then we close our body, and next we finally close our HTML tag. Now you can see I create small form. Correct. In my form I enter some information. Second thing, I give some values for that form. Now I write here something in my function. So let me tell you. Now when we click on our function, on set cookie button, it can fetch value. So for that we give some one notification, that alert function we use here, and we give some values, enter some value. When that value enter, so when you enter this enter name value, this value can fetch by that value, that there and alert message. Correct? So let's first I will write, then I will explain again that code. If my condition document dot my form, then customer sorry dot value, right? Then equal to backspace. Now you can see that document I access that form. My form name is my that form name is my form, correct? Then I declare here customer and my button value, correct? For that, now we here again get curly bracket for if condition and write alert message, alert function, enter something. Now let's write here enter value, correct? Now we close our alert function, correct? Again write a return value. So save this program first of all. Our file name is cookies, correct? Cookies.html. So let's save this program. Now you can see color is changed. So HTML head we already give some value and enter some value. Then now set here some values for our cookie. Cookie equal to cookies value equal to escape bracket document.myfrom customer dot value. You can see that I separated those values with semicolon, and also I give some functions, escape function for that value, and where when I fetch that value, where I my there on that button where I set my value set cookies, correct? So next point we read document dot cookies equal to name equal to my cookies value, correct? Just leave semicolon and that's it. And document dot write a function. Oh sorry. Now here we read setting is where I save my value. I save my value on name, correct? Then it fetch that value and cookies values. Close that program. Let's save this program first of all. Now you can see here I in my function I give some condition document dot my form dot customer dot value, and I provided alert function, and after my alert function I give some cookies value which are the escape document dot my form dot customer values with separated with semicolon, and then I give cookies name plus it accept cookies values, correct? It fetch that value. Let's run this program. Open with Google. Now you can see that here we give that text area in our code, right? This one, enter name input type text. This means this area you set it, but when we set this button, for that button we apply some conditions and some alert message. So when I submit this information for that text area and button and click on that button, it button goes on this function because I set here write cookies function, and then if it calls write cookie function, then check all the conditions we already put here. So this condition, if condition, alert message, for that run that alert message we give some values in this area. So setting the cookies, it accept the values from the cookie value. Okay. So write it some here also college. Save the cookie. 1 second. Okay, you can see that I miss something. This is my semicolon. I miss this semicolon. Now let's again run this program. First we go our browser. Okay, 1 second. Okay, this one our program, and open with Google Chrome. We're using Google Chrome for run that program. Okay, you can see that enter name, cookie set cookies button also show. Also college, set the cookies. Oh, you can see that setting cookies equal to name equal to also college, because it gets us this space. We provide this space using space. So if run my program and I will only write without any space also college. Okay, let's run. Yeah, you can see that we set that name also college. So in next lecture we will see how can set the limitations of a cookie. Thank you.